Hello students, so today we are going to learning the new topic. It is about how to clean the cutlery. So the cutlery we focus to the stainless steel or silverware such as dinner fork, dinner knife, or dinner spoon, also the baby knife, or dessert spoon, coffee spoon like that. So now we are going to cleaning it, but before we getting the real practice, I want to tell you some technical to all of you. The first thing, you should be some container, or you can use the ice bucket or chiller like that, and you put a little bit of normal temperature of water and with hot water. And the important thing, you should be extract the lemon wraps or landslide into the water, because the acidity in the landslide or lemon wraps, it can destroy some oil, some smell from the cutlery. And if you don't have the landslide, you can use for the Khmer vinegar. Okay, so this one we have inside already. So I take some little bit of dinner knife and I drop into the ice bucket, also the dinner fork. Okay. Make sure spot check the surface of the cutlery is pressed to the water like that. Okay. And it should be prepared for round tray or service tray, and placed by plasmat or some sweet cloth for protect some crop contamination. So I use for the clean cloth. So now we start it all together. Before you clean it, you should be separate the knife by the knife and the fork by the fork. So now we start clean it together. So you should be take the knife by the knife and handling like a teacher. So you handle at a lot of the knife like that, and you can wrapping it. Okay, one time, two time, or three times like that. Okay, so you can see. Don't try to use your hand directly to touch the surface of the knife, okay, because we can keep our finger mark on the knife or fork like that. So you can practice like me. Okay. You can see. So we cannot use our hand to touch the knife. Okay. So finish the knife, start cleaning the dinner fork again. So you can see. So we handling like that for the last of the bottom dinner knife. That's already dinner fork. Okay, wrapping it. Make sure you clean all inside the stick of fork like that. You can see, because sometimes you still have something inside. Okay, now we have finished for the topic already. I hope that you will practice by our flow, and thank you so much for your watching this video. See you for next lesson.